What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Letta Jean, and I am back for another Tuesday tutorial, Dollar Tree DIY. And I made this little coaster, and I'm going to show you how I did it. What's up, everybody? It's Letta Jean. I'm back for another Tuesday tutorial. What we have is a coaster that I created out of Dollar Tree tumbling tower blocks. So right here is a coaster, but however, you could use it as a plant stand if you like. And I added the little sides to it, but of course I have also created it prior to that as just a little stand without the sides, and you could make it a coaster for a cup, another plant, or what have you. So today we'll need, of course, two boxes of the tumbling tower game, and you're gonna need Mod Podge, a glue gun, and that is pretty much it. Oh, and the glue sticks. So here I have already glued two pieces together for my sides. What you see is not your standard box of Dollar Tree tumbling tower blocks. You will see them in the light brown and the dark brown, but that center color that's kind of in between the two, that I made with a coffee stain. So I coffee stained some of the pieces of wood just so I can have like another shade of brown. Now, right here, I've taken three pieces like I normally do to start off a DIY, and I'm gluing them together in threes. And then we're going to glue the threes together to make a square. You can make any pattern you want. You are the creator. So have fun, and I'm going to speed this up because you know what it looks like to glue wood together. Okay, now that we have our small squares together, we are going to glue them together to form the base of the coaster. I forgot to tell you what kind of glue sticks I'm using. So I am using the Gorilla Glue glue sticks, and it's full size for my glue gun. There are some glue guns that take the mini sticks, but you just have to find out which one your glue gun takes. Also, keep in mind you don't have to use a glue gun. You can use wood glue, E6000, whatever you have on hand. I will say that based on using the glue sticks for this DIY, it may have been too much because the Gorilla Glue is really thick and it is also quick drying. So if you need to move it around or if make adjustments, once they're together, and it's hard to take them apart, but you're gonna have a lot of lumpy dry glue spots on there, which is what's going on right here. I'm trying to adjust and make some slight adjustments because it kind of bowed in the center, but I had to flatten it out. So make sure if you're using the Gorilla Glue glue sticks that you know what you want to do, you know where you want to place it, because once it's stuck, it's stuck. Alright, I have the base down, and like I was saying earlier, those little dry spots from the glue gun have come out of the wood or in between. So we're going to have to sand those down and make a smooth surface. I'll be using this sanding sponge found at the Dollar Tree. It looks like a regular sponge like you wash dishes with. And we're just going to take it and sand down those dry glue spots that we have in between each piece of wood just to get a smooth surface. So I thought I was recording when I added the frame to the coaster. However, I wasn't. So as you can see, the frame has been attached. That is the pieces that I glued together at the very beginning, and they were 2 pieces. So those pieces have been added around the sides to form a frame for the coaster. Now I'm attaching one individual block in between each gap that was formed on the sides when I was attaching each piece to the front to make the frame. And that is it. We have our coaster ready. The only final step is adding our Mod Podge to add a seal to it. I'm not sure if it waterproofs it or not, but it makes it look nice and gives it a nice finished look. It goes on white, but it dries clear, so don't be alarmed when you're applying your Mod Podge to your projects. It will dry clear. Now we're applying our Mod Podge. You want to get a nice amount on your brush and spread it around on the surface of your coaster. Don't be alarmed, like I mentioned earlier, this will dry clear, so it's okay if you use too much. As you'll see in a few seconds, I'm about to use too much, but it does dry clear, so don't worry. There we have it, everybody, a beautiful coaster, and like I said, it dries clear, as you can see. I thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and invite everyone you know, and come see me next Tuesday.